Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How is your going today?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm pretty good. So, what is your full name?
My full name is Ahmed.
Shojib Ahmed. Nice to meet you, Shojib
What about-
Ahmed.
Nice to meet you too. What's your name, brother?
This is Shakib Hoshen, and I'm come from Rajshahi. What about you?
It is very nice. Full name. I am from Russia. That would be more exact.
Oh my God, are you Syrian in your Rajshahi town? I'm really impressed with you. Nice to meet you, dear. So yeah,
Nice to meet
right
you.
now
And where are you from?
I'm stay in Durgapur. It's to be more exact in Rajshahi town. So
Really?
yeah, really. So yeah,
I
ask me
I
anything,
grew
bro.
up in Singapore from my childhood.
Yeah.
Now I grew up in Russia from my childhood.
Oh my God. Are you very near in my house, maybe, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So what do you do right now, there?
I'm a student. I'm pursuing my bachelor degree.
Are you
And
bachelor
what
degree?
about you?
I'm also student, but I have a two patient right now. I'm a student, but I'm also farmer. Uh, I don't know you knowing that.
That's very
Actually,
impressive.
I'm gone. My father was a farmer, so my fashion. I'm also farmer, and I love to working in farming. Yeah.
Okay,
What
brother,
about you?
don't worry. May peace be upon you.
Yeah.
May peace be upon you.
Thank you. So,
Most.
what are you doing right now?
Now I am nothing. I'm still free and talk to you too.
Okay. Thank you for your valuable time. So, yeah.
Can I ask something about your personal life?
Yeah, sure. You can ask me easily and
Do you
friendly.
have any YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have a just small YouTube channel. This channel name
Oh,
Brother High School, and I have
oh yeah,
also Facebook page. That's Facebook page name Brother High School.
yeah.
What about you there?
So you are created a lot of content.
Yeah, right now decided when I will spend my leisure time, so that's time I wanna trying to making a video with my audience, with my viewer. Actually, also people like me here, I know that, but yeah. So what about you?
I want to introduce myself with you. Myself, I am Shojib Ahmed.
Yeah.
I I born in a normal family. Of course, I tried to study hard, but as a boy, my school not good at the time. So I say looking for job, looking for joining university, looking for joining good schools. Now I am lead at Rashtriya College Social Work Department. I am on a second student.
Oh,
Are you making money out of your YouTube channel?
uh, so are you very talented boy? Right now, I'm realized that you and are very uh, intelligent guy. Oh yeah. Right now I don't
My
have.
project.
Yeah, I right now I don't have a need to earning a money on YouTube channel. I just I'm making a YouTube channel for practice English. For
Okay. So,
for my grow up my
you
English. Don't doesn't matter earning money or nothing that. Just how to grow up
you
my English.
also type
Yeah, bro.
of all people as like a student.
I can't hear you properly. Please aloud it.
Okay. Okay. So you also guide of all people as like a student throughout your YouTube channel. That's a
Yeah.
congratulations, brother.
Actually, I'm not a trainer. I'm not a native speaker. I'm not good at English speaking, but I try to do my best, and I will provide my best suggestion how to improve your speaking English test and how to grow up your level best.
Okay. Um, so you are a creator.
Yeah, right
I
now
think you have
I
a.
wanna making
I
a successful content creator.
I think you have a lot of creative idea.
Yeah, I have a lots of creating idea, but I have decided I will share everyone, everybody. I wanna share this, my experience,
So
my idea.
so I think that is your passion.
Actually, this is not my passion. My passion is farming in Vita Leaf Garden, and knowing that uh, also people defended in betel leaves in my native village, and I'm not a different person. I'm also defended in my family for selling a betel leaf. So betel leaf selling is my passion, farmer is my passion, and I have a two another passion. I'm a student and I'm a content creator and I'm also freelancer within this online platform.
Just congratulations, brother.
Yeah, thank you for
So
your best comment.
uh, how do you manage the time between your daily work and creating video?
Actually, uh, you don't have extra time for making a video, making a content create. Just if you really wanna making content create, so if you have patience, so just find just uh, 2 minutes later time. Do you have 2 minutes later time in this 24 hour? It's easy maybe, right? So that's
Yeah, yeah.
time you can opening your camera and behind front of you show you, and you can talking, trying to speak English and speak Bengali. You can uh, use every languages. Okay.
So how do you motivate yourself?
Actually, when I was stay in Dhanmundi, so
Yeah.
that time is very hard for me, and that's time I was very depreciated, and 31 July I gone my father, so that's time very depressed again. But right now, uh, defended my own self and my own motivation. So when I'm moving and depreciate, so that's time I'm opening my camera and understand myself, and this time I'm spending my crazy time. I'm talking mirror with camera with alone every. But right now realize that I don't know how to speak English, but I can speak English anyhow, any cost. So that's time um watching a video in motivational speaker here in a native speaker. So that's why refresh me. Okay, so after that I'm gonna making my new pieces.
Brother, also a also a beginner, and my English level is not good.
Actually,
So
yeah, I see that your question. Uh, first of all, first of all, remove your bad habits, keep up patience, and make a best habits in your daily life. Okay, so first of all, you can early in the morning, wake up early in the morning, and um, you can pray up Salah, okay, and
inshallah, brother.
starting your morning, and decided how to spend your uh, holiday, how to spend your whole day, and keep going working and spend time, and you can practice real life English whenever, everywhere. You can in classes, you can washroom, you can practice when are you eating, when are you having tea, when are you hang out with your friends, when are you everywhere. You can everywhere, you can realize, you imagine, speak English. Okay, it's maybe best,
Yeah.
and you can making a video with your camera. Okay, with you can practice mirror with mirror, and if you if you have a real patience for speaking test, so you can watching a English movie in British accent. Don't follow American accent or Indian accent. British accent is perfect for your higher study, gonna abroad. Okay, and
Okay.
everywhere helping others people. And uh, actually, when are you beginner in this learning English platform, so are you facing a more and more problem. But my personally, I personally suggestion with you, you can see, you can watching some YouTube channel in this as like that. You can watching RTV channel, latest English news. You can my TV channel latest English news. You can also watching uh, Bengali people saying English as like that English news. So when are you watching English news? So that's time you can see video, you can see image, you can see front of English. So you can understand easily and properly, and that's time you can realize your brain and you can speak English easy. It's very very effective and attractive for your growth future, right?
Yeah, Thanks for your information. Uh,
Yeah,
Actually, you have a good sense of humor. That's why I talk to like you.
I can't hear you properly right now. Please give me again.
Actually, you have a good sense of humor. That's why I talk to like you.
Mm, Please again and speak louder.
You have a good sense of humor.
Mm,
That's why I talk to like you too.
Thank you for your best comment. I'm agree with
About
you.
that.
Yeah.
And I will follow your instructions in
Okay.
my daily life.
Inshallah.
Actually, I practice every day in 10 minutes zero talk. That is
Yeah.
my everyday homework.
Yeah. First of all, remove your bad habits and creating best habits in your daily routine. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Nice to meet you.
nice to
We'll
meet
see
you
you
too,
later.
dear. And I'm really appreciate with you for joining with me and wasting your valuable time for me. Okay, thank you so much. Uh,
Thanks
um,
for your time
yeah, I'm
and take care
also
of yourself.
I wanna also again. I'm really thank you of I'm really thank you of with all you. Okay, thank you so much for joining
And
me. And
I want to
hey, don't
warm
forget,
thanks to you.
it. Subscribe my channel and follow my page if you really wanna give a spoken English uh, tutorial. So please watching me in Brother High School.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you so much for your time, bro. I'm really
Allah
thankful
Hafiz.
with you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.